How do we use and or otherwise with imperatives? We use these to tell someone what will happen if they listen to you. Go left and you will find the bakery. Don't eat so fast and you won't get a stomachache. Train hard, otherwise you won't get stronger. Be quiet or you will be kicked out of the cafe. Imperatives are used to tell someone to do something or to give commands, warnings, directions, requests, and suggestions. Go straight and you will see the church. Hurry up and you will arrive on time. Slow down or you will get tired. Finish quickly, otherwise the time will run out. Eat your vegetables and you will be healthy. Sleep early and you will be rested tomorrow. Take the dog for a walk and he will be grateful. Eat your vegetables, otherwise you will be sick. Sleep early or you will be tired tomorrow morning. Take the dog for a walk, otherwise he will be upset with you. Are you ready to practice? Connect these sentences using and or otherwise. Clean up your food or I will throw it away. Make a sentence using and, otherwise, or. Get out of bed, otherwise you will be late for school. Pause the video if you need more time to think about it. Drink this coffee and you will be more awake. Make a sentence. Wear a jacket, otherwise you will get sick. Sometimes there can be more than one right answer. Be friendly, and everyone will like you. Last one. Drink water and you won't get dehydrated. So, can you now use imperatives plus and, otherwise, and or? I hope so. Good luck studying. Check out the next video.